Hi guys, Townsend here. All right, E1. Tony has 6.6 pounds of ground beef and 0.15 or 15 hundredths pounds of onion to make meatballs. What is the total weight of his ingredients? So you want to take 6.6, and I have a zero there, okay, as a placeholder, plus 0.15, okay? Add them up, you should have gotten 6.75. Okay, the biggest thing here is make sure you line up your decimals. All right, E2. Onion cost 0.15 or 15 cents per ounce. Okay? Per ounce is just per 1 ounce. Tony bought an onion that weighs 6.6 ounces. How much did Tony spend on his onion? Well, if it's 15 cents per ounce and his weighs 6.6 ounces, you want to use multiplication. So you want to do 6.6 times 0.15. Multiply like you would normally, however you multiply. I multiply like this. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 6 is 30 again, plus 3 is 33. Okay, if you're moving over 1, you need a placeholder, so put your 0 there. 1 times 6 is 6, then 1 times 6 is 6 again. Now just go ahead and add these up. 0, 9, 9. But the most important thing is that in your problem here, you have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 decimals. So in your answer, you have 1, 2, 3 decimals. 0.990 is just 99 cents. Okay, so that's how much Tony spent. Tony! All right, ready? E3. Tony has 6.6 pounds of ground beef to make meatballs. Each meatball requires 15 cents. Sorry, I got a Facebook message. Get off. Each meatball requires 0.15 pound of ground beef. How many meatballs can he make? You can do division, and you can always check with multiplication. Okay? So 6.60 divided by 0.15. Move it over 2, move it over 2. He made 44 meatballs. Okay? And you can always check 0.15 times 6.6 should get you 44. Okay? All right. No, that's not right. That's dumb. 0.15 times 44 should get you 660. That makes more sense. Okay, thanks. All right, E4. Tony has 6.6 pounds of ground beef and 0.15 pounds of ground turkey. How much more? So you're looking at the difference, which is subtraction, of ground beef does he have compared to the amount of ground turkey. Fine, it's just subtraction. Make sure you line up your decimals. You should have gotten 6.45. Okay? Line up your decimals. If not, you're going to run into problems and you're not going to get the right answer. Make sure you line up your decimals. Thank you. All right. F1. Fabulous number 1. Anita bought 0.6 pound. Isn't it S? Yeah. 0.6 pounds of cheddar cheese. Cheddar cheese costs $3.36 per pound. That means per 1 pound. How much did she spend on cheese? Round the answer to the nearest or closest hundredth. Okay, fine. So go ahead and multiply. 3.36 times 6.6 is 2.016. All right. Well, we don't have $2 and 1 penny and 600. That doesn't make any sense. You just round. So this 6 becomes a 2. So it's $2.02. Okay. Here's F2. Anita bought 3.36 pounds of American cheese and 0.6 pound. Would it be an S? I don't know. 0.6 pounds of cheddar cheese. What is the total amount of cheese she bought? You're just looking at addition here. It's 3.36 plus 0.6. Just add it up. Line up your decimals. And here's a good example. So like if you did 3.36 and somebody wanted to add 0.6, if they did this, you're going to end up with a totally different number. All right, make sure you line up your decimals. 3.96. F4. Anita has 3.36 pounds of cheese. She places the cheese in containers that each hold 0.6 pounds. All right, so you're dividing or breaking something up. All right, how many containers did Anita fill? Well, we have to figure that out. So you can either use repeated subtraction, which is going to take you a while. So you probably want to use division. 3.36 divided by 0.6. You can't divide with this decimal on the outside, so move it over 1, move it over 1, divide it all out. So 6 goes into 33 5 times. 5 times 6 is 30. Subtract, you get 3. Write down your 6. 6 goes into 36 6 times. Okay? 5.6. All right, I believe that's it. There's everything for F and E. All right, bye guys. See ya.